authorities advise the public to take the necessary steps against the heat strokes. The warning comes as the rise in the country's heat index will continue to be felt this weekend. More of this from Maria Fernandez.
Extremely hot weather has been felt these past few days as the country's heat index rose and is expected to last until the weekend. Metro Manila is one of 13 areas in the country with high heat indices, or the combined temperature and relative humidity. Metro Manila registered a heat index of 41 degrees Celsius on Thursday, 40.2 degrees Celsius on Friday, and is expected to hit 40.1 degrees on Saturday and 39.2 degrees Celsius on Sunday. This kind of weather may trigger a heat stroke.
Ang heat index ay kombinasyon ng air temperature at relative humidity ng air. So, if it's masyado mataas yung temperature, mainit, tapos mataas yung humidity, 60% ng air temperature, you don't sweat too much. So pag hindi ka nagpapawis, ito ay makes you more prone to heat stroke or heat exhaustion.
Prone to heat stroke are children ages 5 and below, senior citizens, people with hypertension and diabetes, including those who drink coffee and alcoholic beverages, especially if they are directly exposed to the sun from 11 in the morning up to 3 in the afternoon. 62-year-old Aling Nigaya, a hypertension, tries to adjust to the weather and avoid heat stroke by drinking cold water and taking a bath.
Pag sobrang init, umiinom ng malamig na tubig, nagpapaypay, tapos maligo, para mawala yung init.
Angelica does the same for her 1-year-old niece, whom she brings to work so she can better take care of her since it's much hotter inside their house.
Pagdating po ng umaga, pinaliliguan, tapos pagdating din po ng tanghali, ganun din po ginagawa. Kasi po minsan, naliligo na po siya minsan ng pawis, tas di rin po siya minsan mapakali pag mainit po. Tapos yung po niya, minsan po naglalabasan na po yung mabungang araw. Kaya minsan po pulbo sa likod po. Ganun po pag mainit.
Some signs of heat stroke are rise in body temperature to 40 degrees Celsius, redness of the skin, dryness, and inability to perspire.
Hindi po gumagana ang kanilang cooling system. Kaya nagmamanifest po sila ng pagkahilo, hinihimatay. Minsan po ay can lead to fatal consequences. Minsan sila po ay at minsan ay nagiging comatose.
To avoid heat stroke, stay indoors from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Wear clothes with light color and material. Drink plenty of water. Take a bath, wear a cap, and use an umbrella while outside. Meanwhile, here's what you can do to help someone hit by a heat stroke.
Ilagay po ang taong hinihimatay o posibleng nagkaka-heat stroke sa isang shaded area o sa malamig-lamig na lugar. Luwagan ang kanyang mga pananamit at sikaping ang malamig na tubig kung ito po ay conscious. Kung siya naman po ay unconscious, kailangan po ay siya ay bigyan ng mga cool pads, mga ice pack sa kanyang ulo at sa kanyang mga leeg. Kung sa bahay po ito, bilang first aid, ay pwede pong lagyan ng cool pad sa kilikili, sa likod, sa mga singit, at kung saan po mayroong mga blood vessels.
For the People's Television, Ria Fernandez.